The International Space Station was thrown briefly out of control Thursday when jet thrusters of a newly arrived Russian research module inadvertently fired a few hours after it was docked to the orbiting outpost. The NASA officials said that the 7 crew members aboard, 2 Russian cosmonauts, 3 NASA astronauts, a Japanese astronaut and a European Space Agency astronaut from France were never in any immediate danger, according to the NASA and Russian state-owned news agency RIA. But the malfunction prompted NASA to postpone until at least August 3rd. Now its planned launch of Boeing new CST-100 Starliner capsule on a highly anticipated uncrewed test flight to the space station. The Starliner had been set to blast off atop on Atlas V rocket on Friday from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida.